Today we're looking at 3 ways to achieve a gold finish using a UV printer and different materials. This is useful when you want different gold techniques depending on the look, the budget, or the material that you're working with. We'll start with direct UV gold printing, then the gold foil technique, and finally a mirror acrylic option. Step 1. Creating the gold color palette in CorelDRAW. Before printing, we first create a custom gold color palette inside CorelDRAW. To do this, navigate to Window, Color Palette, and then Palette Editor. Here, we manually add 5 custom RGB gold shades that will be used throughout the workflow. The shades include European Gold, Indian Gold, Egyptian Gold, American Gold, and Middle Eastern Gold. Once these colors are saved, they remain available inside CorelDRAW for future projects, creating a consistent and repeatable gold workflow. Step 2. Applying the gold colors to the artwork. With the palette complete, we can now apply the gold tones to the artwork. Starting with the black and white vector design, I select different areas of the artwork and replace them with the custom gold shades created earlier. I begin with European Gold, selecting the relevant objects and applying the color directly from the custom palette. The same process is then repeated across the rest of the design, using all 5 gold variations. Once the artwork is complete, the file is exported as a TIFF, ready for the UV printing workflow. Step 3. Printing the individual gold variations. Inside the RIP software, the first step is adding the jig or outline file. This ensures accurate placement and alignment of the final print. The jig file is sent using the white-only print profile. Next, the first gold artwork file is imported and positioned in the exact same location as the jig. For this file, the color and varnish print profile is selected before sending it to the workstation. Inside the workstation software, I right-click the color and varnish file, select Set, and assign the embossed layer as Braille to enable the raised varnish effect. The print is then sent to the machine. This process is repeated for each gold variation to produce multiple gold finishes using the same workflow. Step 4. Combining multiple gold shades into one design. For this print, all 5 gold shades are combined into a single artwork. The jig file and color artwork are exported as TIFF files and imported into the RIP software. The jig is printed using the WW or white only print mode, while the artwork uses the KCMYVV color and varnish print mode. Inside the workstation software, the varnish layer is configured using the set option and the print is sent to the machine. This process allows multiple gold tones and raised varnish effects to be combined into one final premium print. Bonus tip: alternative gold effect materials. Gold effects can also be achieved using alternative materials and print techniques. The first method uses gold foil as the base material. Artwork is printed over the foil while selected areas are left open to expose the reflective gold surface. Varnish can also be applied to enhance depth and texture. The second method uses gold mirror acrylic as the base material. By printing strategically onto the acrylic surface, sections of the mirror finish remain visible, creating a clean metallic effect. Both techniques provide different visual finishes while expanding the creative possibilities of UV printing. So that's 3 ways to achieve a gold finish using a UV printer and different materials. Direct UV gold printing gives you a clean, detailed gold effect from your design. Gold foil is used when you want more premium, elegant finish for branding or signage. And mirror acrylic gives you a strong reflective base that we can still UV print and design over. Different methods depending on the look and finish that you're going for. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.